Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to mirror workouts to Apple TV on later. So mirroring your later workouts to Apple TV is straightforward using AirPlay and screen mirroring on your iPhone. Since Ladder doesn't have a native TV app, this is the best method. So actually guys, first you will need to make sure that your iPhone and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi. And then just open your app on your iPhone and turn on your TV as well, okay, or your Apple TV. So we are talking about the Apple TV. And then you will need to go and start your workout. So we will go with preview right here, and then just go with resume workout or start workout, okay. And here you will need to swipe down from the top right of your iPhone screen to get through the control center, and then just go and tap on screen mirroring or the option. Okay, so once you tap it, here you will need to select your Apple TV and your workout will instantly appear on your Apple TV. So just rotate your iPhone to landscape before mirroring and keep your phone in lock during the workout. Even you will need to put the volume from TV, not phone, for better sound. And even you will need to use a strong Wi-Fi to avoid lagging. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.